Good morning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Dr. Walid. Today, we're going to talk about something very important for all language learners staying motivated. Communicating effectively and practicing regularly. We'll dive into some science based evidence and share quotes that will inspire you to stick with your language learning journey. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about motivation. Keeping your motivation high is crucial for language learning. According to Dr. Robert Garner, a pioneer in the field of language acquisition, motivation is the key to learning a new language. His research shows that learners who are highly motivated are more likely to succeed. One way to stay motivated is to set clear, achievable goals. Break down your language learning into smaller, manageable tasks. Instead of saying, I want to be fluent in English, try setting a goal like, I want to learn 10 new words a day. Achieving these small goals will definitely give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. Now, let's move on to communication. Communication is the heart of language learning, according to Dr. Stephen Krashen's input hypothesis. We are acquiring language when we understand messages. This means that the more you expose yourself to comprehensible input, such as listening to English podcasts, watching movies, or having conversations, the better you will become at understanding and using the language. So, don't be afraid to make mistakes when you communicate. Dr. Carol Dweck, a renowned psychologist, emphasized the importance of growth mindset. She says, in a growth mindset, challenges are exciting rather than threatening. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. The more you practice speaking, the more confident and proficient you will become. Finally, let's talk about the importance of practice. Practice is what turns your effort into progress. Research by Dr. Anders Ericsson, who studied the science of expertise, shows that deliberate practice is key to mastering any skill. This means practicing with a purpose, getting feedback, and constantly challenging yourself. Create a consistent practice routine. Dedicate a specific time each day to your language learning. Whether it's 15 minutes or an hour, consistency is more important than the length of time. Use a variety of methods, such as flashcards, language apps, and speaking with native speakers to keep your practice sessions engaging. Now, with the presence of ChatGPT, you can use it instead of native speakers. So let's wrap up with some inspirational quotes. Nelson Mandela once said, "It always seems impossible until it is done." And from the famous writer John Wolfgang von Goethe, knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. These quotes remind us that with determination and action, we can achieve our language learning goals. So, remember to stay motivated by setting achievable goals, communicate fearlessly, and practice consistently. We've got this. Keep pushing forward, and you will see amazing in your English skills. Thank you for tuning in to English with Dr. Walid. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest episodes. See you next time.